Jesus, can you possibly turn that iPod up any louder? You are going to go deaf. Hello? You can't hear a single fucking thing I say, can you? You know, that dress makes your ass look fat. Actually, it's not the dress's fault. It's the fact that you have a huge fat ass. Ha! And your legs are really starting to get thick too. Nice cankles, bitch. Oh, and how about that new mustache coming in on your upper lip? Very sexy, Magnum. Speaking of hairy, how about you start trimming back the 70s porn bush you've been sporting the past few months? And don't give me that crap about it being the winter and all. We live in fucking California, for Christ's sake. Oh, and the other night when we were doing it doggy style, it didn't slip. I did it on purpose.
What? Did you say something to me?
I love you.
That's nice. I love you too.
Christ, I am such a bitch.